In this video, we will show you how to create a menu file using the USB provided with the unit, and then how to upload the USB to the PaniniPro. The tools that you will need are the USB supplied by the manufacturer, a computer, and the Panini press. If you do not have access to a computer, you will not be able to create a personalized menu. However, the unit does come with a general market menu pre-programmed to the unit. To start, locate the USB provided by the manufacturer. If the USB is lost, you will need to purchase a USB with the brand name SanDisk. Using a USB that is not a SanDisk can possibly corrupt the control board and cause the unit not to work. To start, plug the USB into a USB drive on your computer. My drive is on the side of my laptop, and I'm going to plug it in here. When the USB is detected, a window will open reading removable disk. Click on the folder marked Open Folder to view files. You are now in the USB file. Click on the folder labeled 1150APP. A new folder will open labeled General Market Menu. This is an Excel spreadsheet, and your computer will have to have Microsoft Excel on it in order to open the file. If you do not have the Microsoft Excel on your computer, you will not be able to make a custom menu and will have to use the pre-programmed menu that comes on the press. Once in the spreadsheet, you may need to spread out the columns to be able to read everything accurately. You can do this by clicking and holding on the columns and pulling it to the right so you can be able to read everything. Do this for columns A, B, C, and D. With the General Market menu open, you will see an Excel spreadsheet. In column 1, reading left to right, you will see preheat temperatures in column 1A, upper in 1B, and lower in 1C. This is general information and does not need changed. Upper stands for upper heater plate. Lower stands for lower heater plate. In column 2, you will see PHT in 2A. PHT stands for preheat. This is general information that does not need to be changed. In columns 2B and 2C is where you log your preheat temperatures. 2B is for the upper temperature and 2C is for the lower temperature. Do not exceed 450 degrees for each upper or lower preheat temperature. If you do, when you upload the program to the press, you will receive error code 3 on the LED screen and will have to change to the correct parameters before the Panini press will accept the program. In column 3, you will see standby time/temps in column 3A. 1-240 minutes in 3B, upper temp in 3C, and lower temp in 3D. This is all general information that does not need to be changed. In column 4, you will see SBY in column 4A. This is general information and does not need to be changed. Column 4B is where you put your standby time. This is measured in minutes. Do not exceed 240 minutes. The time can be changed as needed with this spreadsheet. The standby mode simply reduces the heat to the set temperature after the allotted time has expired. Enter the standby temperature for the upper in column 4C and enter the standby temperature for the lower in column 4D. Note that if the press goes into standby and your standby temp is lower than your preheat temp, the unit will have to preheat before the unit can be used. In column 5, you will see manual cancel mode in 5A and on/off in 5B. This is general information and does not need changed. In column 6A, you will see MCM. This stands for manual cancel mode. This is general information and does not need changed. In column 6B is where you decide if you would like to have the hold cancel button on or off. This button is used to cancel a cycle after it has already started. Column 7 is the starting point for the first menu. 7A, 7B, and 7C are all general information and do not need changed. Column 8B and 8C allows you to change the temperature of the upper and lower plates. Column 9 lists the general information for the menu recipe and should not be changed. Under column 9A are 15 columns. Each menu has 15 time stages. Each stage can be set for a different period of time. This time is measured in seconds. For each stage, the microwaves can be intermittently controlled. Entering on/off in the stage of the column will determine if the microwave will be on or off. Column 9C is for the left microwave. When this is set to on, microwaves will enter from the left side. 9D is for the right microwave. When this is set to on, microwaves will enter from the right side. When you feel the menu is programmed to your liking, the time that you logged for each stage will be the total cook time for that menu. Many revisions could be possible to get the recipe exactly the way you want it. Most units have up to 8 programmable menus. You can change all 8 menus by following the procedure that was outlined in the previous steps. Note, some units only have 4 menus. An 8-button program will not upload to a 4-button unit. When you have changed all the menus to your liking, you will then need to save the program, making sure the file is saved inside the 1150 app folder. Failure to do so will result in an error code when uploading the program. You are now ready to upload the program to the Panini Press. Once you have created a menu file and saved it to the USB, you will then need to place the USB in the unit. The USB drive is located on the underneath of the front left side of the unit. It is a 1-inch rectangular hole. When placing the USB in the drive, be sure that the red side of the USB is facing to the left. This will ensure for proper installation. With the USB in place, you will now need to upload the program. You can upload the program by holding the Hold Cancel button. Note that this button will be pressed the entire time. When the unit turns on, you will see BLDR come across the LED screen, followed by the menu indicator lights for each button turning red. This will last only a couple of seconds. When BLDR leaves the LED screen, you can now turn the unit off and let go of the Hold Cancel button. To ensure that your menu has uploaded correctly, you will need to remove the USB and power the unit on. The unit will now begin its preheat process and will take roughly a half an hour to preheat. When the unit has preheated, you will need to check each individual menu to ensure that it has the correct functionality for your menu. This has been how to upload a menu to a PaniniPro.
This concludes our video. For additional help, please refer to the service manual or call Nemco Food Equipment.